Hello, everyone. Welcome to my session on AI, artificial intelligence. I would be talking about what is AI and AI about AI technologies and AI application used across. I would be also discussing on AI based on the capability, AI based on the functionalities, and AI based on the technologies. Then comes um, AI, artificial intelligence, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machine that are programmed to think and act like humans. These machines can perform tasks such as reasoning, problem solving, perception, language understanding, and even decision making. AI is essential about creating systems that can learn from data, adapt to new information, and improve over time. Another definition of AI, ability of machine to mimic the cognitive abilities and problem solving capabilities of human intelligence. Artificial intelligence, human intelligence, if you see, what all the things comes as part of human intelligence, learn new thing, new skills, it's through observation, thinking, and communicate through language and non-verbal cues, handle situation, real-time plan, long-term or it could be short-term plan. Then creates inventions. So human intelligence can replicate, if we can replicate these capabilities in machine, then it's a general intelligence, AGI. And applying this artificial intelligence, uh, general intelligence, to solve specific narrow objective is artificial intelligence. So moving on, what are types of AI which we'll be discussing? As I told, I would be discussing on based on the capabilities, narrow AI, which is weak AI, general AI, strong AI, super intelligent AI, and then discussing on based on the functionality, reactive AI, reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, self aware AI. So, based on the capability, uh, narrow AI, which is a weak AI, this is AI that is designed and trained to do a specific task. It's the most common form of AI we encounter today. Example includes virtual assistant like Siri, and Alexa. Recommendation system like Netflix and Amazon, and even self-driving cars. Narrow AI is excellence at solving a particular problem, but cannot perform task beyond its programming. So it's based on the program, it perform the task in nutshell. And general AI, strong AI, this type of AI has ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across the broad range of tasks, just like human would. It can transfer knowledge from one domain to another and is theoretically capable of performing any intellectual task that a human can. We are not have yet, but this is the goal of many AI researchers. Then moving on to super intelligent AI, this would surpass humans' intelligence across all fields, including creativity, problem solving, and even social interaction. It's a hypothetical at this point and often the subject of debate around AI, ethics, and safety. As I discussed, we would be also talking about based on the functionalities, how the AI is divided, and reactive machines. In these AI system respond to specific stimuli with present actions. They don't store memories or past experience to influence the decision. A good example is IBM Deep Blue, the chess playing computer that beat world champion Gary Kasparov in 1990. Limited memory. This AI system can learn from historical data and improve over time. Most modern AI applications, like self-driving car, use this type as they rely on the data to make real-time decision and improve their accuracy. The next is theory of mind. This is the most advanced form of AI that is still in the research place phase. It is currently in the research phase. It involves systems underlying emotions, belief, intentions, and other or mental state of human and other agents. It's about understanding context, social cues, and communication beyond basic as, responses. Then coming to the self-aware AI, this is the most advanced and hypothetical stage of AI where machines not only understand human emotions and intentions but also the self-conscious and make their own thoughts, emotions, and self-awareness. This kind of AI could theoretically make decisions based on the personal goals. Moving on to next. So based on the techniques, various techniques, AI techniques, it's, it is no under the various techniques, machine learning. In deep learning, we would be talking about natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. In machine learning and techniques, this is a subset of AI that uses algorithms to allow machines to learn from and make think, prediction or decision making on the data. ML can be categorized into supervised learning, where the machine is trained with labeled data, and unsupervised learning, in where the machine finds pattern on its own. and then reinforcement learning, where machine learn through trial and error, like playing games. Then comes to deep learning, and in deep learning, a more advanced form of machine learning. It's a more advanced form of machine learning. Deep learning uses neural networks with many layers of many layers to analyze complex patterns in large data set. It's what powers thinking like image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and more. Na- Then comes natural language processing (NLP). This is the field of AI that focused on the interaction between in the computer and human using natural language. It is includes tasks like machine translation and sentiment analysis and chatbot. Then then type of technical perspective, uh, computer vision. This is a branch of AI that enables machine to interpret and make decision based on the visual data from the world, like recognizing object in image and video or enabling facial recognition. Then I will be talking about robotics. So this is which uh, is a type of AI. Robots often use AI techniques to perform tasks autonomously, uh, whether it's a manufacturing or surgery or even com- championships. Now, moving on to the various AI domains and examples. As part of this, we would be discussing on the language and vision, the speech recognition, and product recommendation, and anomaly detection, learn by rewards, forecasting, generate contents. Application for of AI. AI is used across various fields, including in healthcare, where in healthcare domain we will be discussing on diagnosis, treatment uh, recommendations, and about in financial domain, typically the AI techniques usually we come across fraud detection and stock market predictions, and transportation perspective, self-driving driving cars or route optimization. Then entertainment perspective, moving recommendations, recommendations, game design, and then customer services, under which we come across the chatbots or virtual assistants. What all this real in this? I would be talking about in detail the real world examples as well. like virtual assistant, recommendation system, self-driving car, then image recognition and computer visions, chatbot and computer service, AI in healthcare, AI in gaming, fraud detection, smart home device, speech recognition, AI in social media, AI in marketing and advertising, in language translation, AI in content creation. Going in detail about this, is AI is all around us, and it shows us the more place is than often realize. Here are some of the real world examples. So I will be going in detail. First one is the virtual assistant. Shri is no, part of Apple. Then Google Assistant is from Google. Alexa is from Amazon. These AI powered virtual assistant help with the wide range of tasks. Just yeah, about this virtual assistant, Shri from Apple, then Google Assistant from Google, Alexa from Amazon. These AI powered virtual assistant help with wide range of tasks, from setting alarm and sending message to provide weather updates and answering general questions. Then comes the recommendation systems, Netflix and Spotify. These platforms use AI to analyze uh, your view, listen history, and suggest movie, shows, or songs that you might like based on your preference, the movies or shows you want to see, that can be that no, it recommends. Then in Amazon, recommends uh, product based on your browsing history and past purchase, creating a personalized shopping experience. Moving on to self-driving car, Tesla and Waymo, that is Google's self-driving car project. These vehicles are AI to navigate road, detect the object, make driving decisions, and learn from the new driving scenario, aiming to uh, eventually drive without human intervention. Then comes to image recognition and computer vision. Face ID from Apple, and Google Photo. These use AI for facial recognition, allowing you to unlock your phone or shot your photos, shoot your photos based on the people and object. Medical imaging, AI is being used to analyze medical images like X-ray, MRIs, and CT scan to detect diseases such as cancer earlier and make accurately than human doctors in some cases. Then comes to chatbots and um, computer services. ChatGPT, like ChatGPT, AI-driven conversational models that can answer questions, providing customers support, or just have casual conversation. Gentex, and Intercom. Many companies use AI-driven chatbots on uh, on their website to provide instant and support for or answer frequently asked questions. Moving on, next comes in continuation of previous discussion and about the real world examples. I would be discussing in detail about AI in healthcare. As part of AI in healthcare, IBM Watson Health. This is the AI system helps with medical researcher assisting doctors in diagnosing and treating patient by analyzing large data sets from medical records, studies, and research papers. AI in drug discovery, companies like Instilio Medicine are using AI to predict how molecules behave and assist in development of new drugs such much faster than the traditional method. Then comes AI in gaming. AI in NPCs is games like the last of US or FIFA used AI to control the behavior of non-players characters NPC, making them react intentionally to players' action and providing a more dynamic and challenging experience. AI opponents in strategy games like chess or yeah, any other games, poker, or this can be AI system have been trained to beat the human champions by analyzing large amount of past games and learning optimal strategies. Then comes fraud detection and banks and credit card companies. AI is used to detect fraud transactions in real time by identifying patterns and anomalies in your spending behaviors. For example, PayPal or Visa use AI to monitor unusual activities that might indicate fraud. Smart house devices as Nest thermostat or Google uses AI to learn your heating and cooling in preference and adjust temperature accordingly, even predicting when to change the setting based on your routines. Smart lights, Philips Hue and other smart lights system adjust brightness, is color and even turn light on and off based on the pattern of use, often using AI adapt over time. So that's about smart for home devices, because at home we used as for thermostat and the smart lights are using the AI techniques. Then speech recognition, Google translates use AI to accommodate AI for automatically translates spoken or written text between different language with increasingly accurate result by providing translation with a accurate, increasingly accurate result. So accuracy has come up. Then speech to text applications like Otter.ai or Dragon and naturally speaking, and use AI to transcribe spoken words into text, useful in business meeting, in lectures and personal note taking. AI in social media, then comes AI in social medias, uh, Facebook, Instagram. These platforms use AI for image and video recognition and content recommendations, and even in their algorithm for displaying post in your feed based on your interest and past behavior. Twitter and TikTok use AI to recommend tweets or videos tailored to your preference based on your past engagements. Then comes AI in marketing and advertising. Target ads, platform like Google Ads, Facebook and YouTube use AI to analyze user behavior and deliver highly targeted advertisements based on your interest and online activities. Dynamic pricing, e-commerce website like Uber, Airbnb, and Amazon use AI to adjust price dynamically based on the factor like demand, location, and even answer user behavior. AI is in manufacturing, where robot assistant assembly line. Companies like Tesla and uh, BMW uses AI-driven robots in manufacturing to optimize assembly line and improving speed and reducing errors. Prediction maintenance, AI is used in factories to predict when machines will fail, in reducing downtimes and improving efficiency by scheduling repairs before use occurs before the issue occurs, improving the efficiency by scheduling repairs. Then comes learning transactions. Google translates And beyond text translation, Google has added voice and image translation, allowing real time conversation between the languages. It uses AI to improve the translation accuracy by learning from large dataset of language base. AI in context of creation, AI in content creation, and Jasper AI and Copy.ai. These are tools that use AI to generate content and such as long post, social media updates, and ad copy based on the given promotes. It's becoming increasingly popular for marketing and content creators. Deepfake technology, AI can create a realistic video where people will appear to say things they never actually did, arising in both possibility and the concern about or misinformation. So that's about the no, some of the examples quoted and discussed. Then comes why AI. So see, ultimately, why artificial intelligence is required, right? It's more of automation and decision making, right? Approve a, so that approve a credit card or loan, okay, for that for making decision. Then process insurance claims, recommended product to customers, recommendation for recommendation perspective. Then classify documents and images, whether no what kind of images or no you can classify the images, detect fraudulent transactions if anything happens. Then comes the creative support, in the area of creative support, creating a context, yeah, writing series and poems. Then a share code, sorry, you can generate code based on the prompt which you are making through the chatbot, and generate ideas. So, as discussed, the different examples and of AI techniques. And, so, some of the just summarizing it, and classifying images are the key things as part of current AI perspective. Writing computer language code, the spam mail classification, and predicting old car prices. So these are some of the examples of AI techniques. Okay. Okay, then thanks for this session, and yeah.